Shepeteri did not cobalize Oloju Shondo. Bí ojú kọ̀ǹkọ̀ tán tẹ̀mẹ́rẹ̀. Both Shepeteri both Shepeteri and the producer, they are all evil. I've told you, they eat from people's pains. Destroying people is their own rice and beans that they enjoy. Remember the producer, Oro? The day one person just tried to curse her child, the children, she was crying everywhere all over social media. If it was her children or her child they deposited in the mortuary like Mohbad, will she be laughing everywhere? But I don't blame them. I blame Yorubas and Nigerians. Me, I'm just Belengo. I'm just looking them from afar. I don't want problem for my life anymore. I just Belengo. I don't want situation whereby they say Lizzy Anjorin is the one that spoiled their movie. Oh, I'm just looking. I'm looking for someone that will give me outcome. Akoba Gafara everywhere this time around. Jeje la yegba be going. Jeje. We will never come to Abuja all the way from Lagos to come and be doing case in Abuja. It's a very long thing. Imagine coming all the way from Lagos to come and be answering cases in Abuja. Consider war planning or consider facing the àwọn ọ̀pálẹ̀mọ́ lójú ọ̀nà, all because of cho. So I'm minding my business this time around, yo. I only come for people that come for me, oh. I don't want any trouble. No trouble, so. Shepeteri must have missed me so much. I purposely let her rest. Because number one, I'm busy, but that is not the case. The case is, I don't want situation whereby Shepeteri head will not sell film. And they will say it's Lizzy Anjorin that did not make Akadara to sell film. So I want her to use Akadara and let's see if Akadara is still functioning. Unfortunately, Akadara has entered grave. So Shepeteri, don't come and lie against me that it's Lizzy that did not make you sell your film. Abi je gbese si film. I should do my shirt. I don't know much about the story, but I just decided to give them long rope so that they will not say it's Lizzy that did not make us sell Shepeteri movie. Oh, I just look at Belengo. I'm just watching everybody. I just I'm just minding my business. I don't want anywhere to come and use me for people in London that Lizzy Anjorin is spoiling their movie. Oh, it's not me. Oh, let's see if Shepeteri head will now work. Unfortunately, Shepeteri Kadara has used it wrong. Don't forget that Lizzy Anjorin is the only thing that gives Esabingo happiness. That stupid girl. That idiot girl that carried the whole 19 fingers to put in her mouth. Very useless old thing. Very useless old thing. Carried the whole 19 fingers put in the mouth. Come on, Amala food, that useless thing, that useless Esabo cannot make. Amala food she cannot make. I don't know what she wants to use her life for. I am just tired of that nuisance girl. She has been looking for me, she has been crying. In fact, she exposed me. She said, I've been sleeping in my shop. And I don't want people to know that I've been sleeping in my shop. A lot of you were saying we were sleeping in the shop. That idiot nonsense girl. That Esa Bingo. That Esa nothing. You forgot that last week you told people that Lati has run away. You were the one that used your too dirty mouth to tell the whole Nigerians that Lati has run away. Now, you just show Nigerians that Lati and Lizzy, they are sleeping.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ sí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣẹ̀ wò tán yìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe fi àwọn méjèèjì yìí tí ó fi wọ́n sẹ̀sìn. Ẹ sì ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ nípa wọn ní òun sùn sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù òun.
In the shop, is that not Ife? Is that not Ife Ẹlẹ́yẹlé? Shepeteri